Yeah, watch out for those teeth.
Yeah.
Good job, just like a snake. The idea is to get down, get around his gills, but don't go up in his mouth.
Yeah. You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, you almost get me bit?
That was cool. Can you do that again? Hope you're getting her chair all bloody. Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Throw her back in?
Yeah.
Ready? Say
Yeah.
goodbye. Don't tell your friends about this. Yeah.
So, when I get him up here,
There we go.
sit.
He's sticking his tongue at it.
Yeah, he is. Notice he's playing innocent right now. There. Go crazy. He wants it. There you go. There you go. Yeah, jump around, jump around. Notice all the little bites all over his body. Now lift him up. There you go. Ta-da!
All right.
Okay, get a picture quick. Quick?
Wait a minute.
See, and you can actually see the.
Yeah.
We'll go close up. You can see where he's nibbling.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Woo! Threw that like a major leaguer.
Threw it out like, don't you f***ing bite me. That was a good shark, look.
There we go. And